Thank you. Well, they got it right over there. They ordered pizza.
Oh, nice.
Dude.
Good idea.
Telling you. It's not good. It's not. Okay. So we used to do this song because we used to have a flute player in our band. That was quite nice, but she went on to other things in her life, as bandmates do sometimes. So we were like, we looked at this song the other day and we're like, we can do this. We don't need her. Plus, it's a lot of fun and it's Jethro Tull, so let's do a little locomotive breath, right? She's actually a wonderful person, so we're just.
Shuffling madness of locomotive breath runs the old-time loser headlong to his death. He hears a piston scraping, teeth breaking on his brow. Old Charlie stole the handle, and the train it won't stop going, no way to slow down. Children jump off stations one by one. His woman and his best friend met and having fun. Oh, he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Old Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop going, no way to slow down. There's a silence howling, catches angels as they fall. And the old-time winner has got him by the balls. Oh, he's vindicating the Bible, opens on page one. Oh, thank God, stole the handle, and the train won't stop going, no way to slow down. Slow down, no, won't slow down, no way to slow down.
Thank you.